Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with some of the important opportunity from various important companies, that is from the Simon and Amazon and other important companies. So first important opportunity, that is for the role of technical intern. So Siemens Healthineer hiring for the role of technical intern, and students which is not yet graduated, mean 2026 or 2027 can apply for this wonderful opportunity, and employment type is permanent and job location is Bangalore. Talking a little bit more about the job description, so you will basically assist in the design, development, testing, and debugging, writing clean and well-structured code, and provide support and also following the software quality and security compliance process. So this is a wonderful opportunity if you are from the computer science, engineering, or related field, and you should have knowledge of the software development life cycle. Okay, so if you want notes of all those stuff, then you can go through that. Friends, before moving the video, let me tell that already TCS NQT result has been announced for the first phase, and many of the candidates got the result. Okay, so congratulations to all of them who have got the result and who have been selected for interview. Friends, now just one path is away. So if you want to schedule your mock interview, just fill our form. Okay, we have already provided lots of selection there, and you can say we have regularly share lots of candidate experience. So if you want to be there, means if you want to select it, then you can just schedule mock interview. Just okay. Now, a little bit moving to next important opportunity, that is from the Siemens, and this is for a different role, that is AI intern total performance. So this will, you will basically work on AI, and this is the world of, or this is the era of AI. So you will learn the AI, and you will basically assist in setting up test environment, validation, support creation, and scalable. And the other requirements: UG, PG, PhD degree, all students can apply, and you have to work from office at this three. You should have strong proficiency in Python, and you should have proficiency in MATLAB. So this is a wonderful opportunity. If you want, you can apply. Moving to next important opportunity, that is from the Amazon, and earlier I have also provided update for this, that still hiring is going on for this. So those who haven't applied it, you can apply. Job location will be Bangalore, Hyderabad, Maharashtra, Chennai, and Delhi. So this is a wonderful opportunity from the CS background graduates, and you should have knowledge of programming language C, C++, Python. And if you have some previous technical internship and other, then you will get preference. Next important opportunity from the Google, they are hiring for the role of software security engineer university graduate 2026. So all of them who are some minimum 1 year of experience responding to security alert and incidents, means if you have done some internship in these area, then only you can apply. This is a university graduate program. Okay, so moving to next important opportunity, that is also a wonderful opportunity, and they are hiring freshers up to, means 6 months. If you have experience, then you can also apply, but freshers are eligible for this. You should have just good communication skill, and this is the sales profile. So if you are interested in sales profile, just share your resume to this mail ID. Moving to next important opportunity, that is from the QR solutions. So just you have to drop your CV here, and they are hiring for the role of service delivery associate project coordinator. So if you want to work there in Tamil Nadu, Tiruchirappalli, then you can basically apply for this important opportunity. So these will be your responsibility with some primary point of contact, document requirement, and all those stuff. So if you are interested, you can apply. Moving to next important opportunity, that is second last, that is from the DEX. They are hiring for the role of summer 2026 full stack engineer intern. This is also wonderful opportunity, and visa, means you should have some visa for that. So this is a, you can say, uh means these are the requirement for this. Just go through complete job link in the description. I'll provide all those link in the description. Just go through it. Moving to last opportunity, that is from the Infotech Private Limited, and they are hiring certified SAP basis freshers. So if you are freshers in SAP, and if you are looking for a good opportunity, then you can basically just apply for this. And this is a wonderful opportunity for the location of Kolkata. So just share your CV to this mail ID. Hope video informative too. If you want such important video, make sure to support and subscribe us. We regularly post lots of important job update, and currently TCS NQT hiring going on. We have already provided pre-preparation material, and just all the best to candidates who have exam further. So मिलते हैं next important job update में. Thank you.